Hi, Faith. Well, apparently getting into Google Maps crashes my video software, so I made some screen prints and we'll use those as a demonstration. Now, Michaela put up the Cadaster map, and I'm going to have you hold the thought. Here is a GPS setting for the church, which is a key landmark in our map. But she did supply the link down here at the bottom, well, the bottom of the screen. And we get in just by clicking the first letter. It's 1833. This is the village area here, the town area. It's more like a town. And it's separate down here. That only happens for the larger places. Now you'd have to hit this plus sign to enlarge it. And it takes about 40 tries, but I discovered today that if you do this thing, it at least gets it closer. However, I'm not going to sit there and do all of the clicks necessary to get it positioned. I'm going to jump to one that I already have out. In it, we see the church, and then here's house number 105. Hold the thought that it's not like American farms where the house is next to the land. The villagers lived together and went out into the countryside to work during the day. Now, I cannot bring up that map, Google Maps, but let's see. Okay. If I do ask for the village on Google Maps, I get a picture like this. Now, what I'm going to do is paste in that GPS listing that Michaela supplied twice for us. Thank you, Michaela. And it will zoom right into the church. See, there I've pasted it. I'm going to hit search. And it enlarges it pretty much automatically, I think, and gets you to the church position. I then switched to satellite view, and there's the church. We'll be able to see the steeple in a little bit here. And finally, I fiddled around with the zooming, etc., and tried to get the two of them, the Cadaster and the contemporary view, the same. Let's just hold some thoughts. This is the town square here, which is where the picture was taken, the 1909 one that I posted. Here's the church. There's the steeple. I know. Now, back to the Cadaster map. No, don't do that. Okay, here's house 105. Here's the church. These would be next to each other in the map. And here apparently is the original street. Where's my picture? And here's the street today. Your house 105 would have been right about here, and it's gone. If you get into the map and you do street view, you can see that all of these buildings are relatively new. This whole part of the town has been rebuilt except for the church. And but that's where 105 was. Come on. We go back to the Facebook page and look for that 1909 picture. Here's the church in the background. So we're looking at it from the other direction, from the town square, Namnyeshji. And I'd like to point out that there are many, many pictures available if you just Google the name of the town, Frenštát, and there are maybe 3 or 4 dozen pictures out there, varying ages. You can see the new construction, the old construction a little bit, but you will never probably see a picture of 105 itself. Who knows when it no longer was there. Hopefully this helps you out a little bit to see how we got that. There's 105, and when we look at a satellite view, we can see where the new street is and probably replacing it. Bye-bye.